So what's up guys, it's your boy Rocky Bright and I'm back again with another tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a drill beat. So last time I showed you how to make a dancehall beat, and after that I posted the beat on my YouTube channel. So make sure you follow me on YouTube channel. My name is Rocky Bright, right? Rocky Bright is RAKY, then Bright. Yeah, that is it, man. Make sure you follow, you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials for free beats. So I'll be posting free beats completely free. So I will start with the drums, right? Drums. So this is how it sounds like. This is my drums, right? So that's how it sounds. Yeah. So this is how the kick sounds like. Let me mute another one. Let me play the kick. So this is how they play. The kick sounds like. So that's the kick. Second one, I'm gonna show you how this counter snares. Counter snares. This is the counter snares. This is how it sounds. So there's counter snares. So after that, I have now the snares. These are snare. That's how it sounds like. After snares, so we'll go to playlist. So this is my playlist, how it looks like. This is my playlist now. So I'm gonna show you the first instrument that I played. This is a guitar. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah, after that I played this one. I added this one. Yeah. So after that I added this one, this chord, this one for just flavor. No, this one, sorry, this one. So after that I added another thing, this one here. Let's take a look. This one. After that I added this one, then this. Yeah. So after that I added 808. 808. This is how it sounds like. 808. This is how it sounds like. Let me play it for you. Yeah, that's my 808. The first 808, the second 808 for sub. This is how it sounds like. So let me play it for you. This is the second 808. So after that, I have some vocals. I added some vocals, background for vocals. That's how it sounds like. So let's take a listen. Yeah. So guys, we can listen how the full beat sounds like, right? So let's take a listen to how the beat sounds like. I don't want to go crazy about anything. I just want to make a simple drill beat. That is it, right? So let's take a listen, enjoy the beat now. So guys, thanks for watching. So make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, more beats, so you'll be the first one to be notified when every time I post a new beat or a new tutorial, right? So I think I'm done there. So tomorrow is another day. So I'm gonna show you how to produce another different beat. I'll be showing you every kind of beat that you wanna know how to produce, right? So just make sure you follow me. Yeah, that's it. Peace out, man.